up, boys and girls? Welcome to Golden Guitar. I have a great collab for you guys. Koe Wetzel Ella Langley, they do Jaded together. Great mix up there. Before we move on with this tutorial, I need your help, guys. On my other channel, it's called Golden Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here somewhere. I have you to go and subscribe to me on that channel. That will help me a lot, and that is the best way to thank me for the work I'm doing right here. So please do that, and yeah, be back for now. We have this Jaded to learn. So very simple, guys. We have only a few chords and we're gonna play it pretty much in the same way. So let's go through the chords, and we're gonna start with this A minor 7, and you're gonna see we have this kind of G note added here through the entire song. So we have this open A, second D, second G, first B, and third E. That third E will be with us. This is the A minor 7. Next up is the G at 11. So you move up to this position. And actually we're gonna have this first fret B string as well. So these two, like index on the first B and a little pinky on the third high E, will be mounted to the fretboard through the entire song. So next up, like I said, G at 11. You're gonna go up with third E, second A, open D, open G, and then comes that first B and third E. And then finally we have that F at 9. Okay, so that goes third D, second G, and then comes that first B and third E. That's it. Okay, imagine only 3 chords, this great song. So we're gonna handle this with a stringing pattern which is about 4 down. So if you grab the first chord, A minor, you're gonna play like this. Okay, so 4 downs in total. The third down I go down to really get these higher notes. The other downs I play in the bass string area. So okay, so I try to separate the bass string from the high. Alright, so that's how you handle it. Now let's go into the actual song. Let's learn the first verse. That will be A minor 2, G2, F2, and back to G2. That is one chord progression round. You're going to play it for twice, 2 rounds. So yeah, I'm going to play one round for you. It goes like this. Starts the second round, and that is actually the first verse. The pre-chorus is to play exactly in the same way as the verse plays. Starts about the 29 seconds in. Who broke your heart? That's one of the lyrics. Just add another one round of that verse play, and that is the pre-chorus. Then we're gonna hit that chorus at 39 seconds in. How'd you get so jaded? That's one of the lyrics. That is the title, and you're gonna play a total of, let's see, 5 rounds here. So the first 3 rounds is played F 2 string rounds and G 2 string rounds. Okay. Then on the 4th round, you're gonna play A minor 1 string round, G 1 string round, F 1 string round, and G 1 string round. That is the 4th round. And then the 5th and final round is to play 1 round of that verse play. So same chords, but you're going to play 2 string rounds instead. So A minor 2, G at 2, F2, and G2. Okay? So yeah, I'm going to play round number 3, 4, and 5 for you guys. So you're going to have all these different variations of playing here from the chords coming right at you. So 3, 4, and 5 sounds like this. Alright, so there you have it. That is the first round. Now, second round of this is very similar. The second verse is played exactly the same as the first one. Then we don't have any second pre-chorus. You're going to jump right into the second chorus. And that one is played almost in the same way as the first chorus. It's a little bit longer. So the first 3 rounds, they're the same. Then comes that A minor 1, G1, F1, and G1 also play the same, but round number, let's see, 5 and 6, yes, because we have 6 rounds in total, they will be played with the verse play. So you're gonna add one extra verse play to that second chorus, and that's it for the second round. Then we have that bridge part, and what you're gonna play here for bridge happens about, I'm not really sure, but right after that second chorus, you're gonna play F2, G2, F2, and G4. That's it. So F, G, F, G, that is how you're gonna play the chords. And then you're gonna finalize the song with the third and final chorus, and that one is played exactly in the same way as the second chorus we just learned. And that's it, my friends. Koe and Ella, they do the Jaded song, a great one. So grab a guitar, have fun, and play tuned.